How often do you use a chest press machine when you work out? Check out these tips to make sure this exercise is as effective as it can be for you.
Welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday. This month we have been talking about the chest press machine. Today we want to give you a cueing tip to help you increase specificity of using your pec muscles while on this machine.
So oftentimes when people do a chest press, they're focused on kind of pushing their hands forward when they're doing the motion. But instead of that, we recommend people really focus on actually pushing their hands together while they're doing the motion. And what this is going to do, it's going to put a greater emphasis on your chest muscles. So instead of thinking hands going forward, actually think about almost trying to slide your hands together. Now you can see with our machines here, the handles actually converge and come together, but that's not the case for all machines. Either way, what we want you thinking about is as you push forward, thinking about squeezing your chest to push your hands together, and then slowly let your hands come apart as you come back down with it. And that is going to put a greater emphasis and a greater focus on your chest muscles as opposed to just pushing forward with your hands.
Next time you're in the gym doing the chest press machine, try out this cue to really get your pecs activated.